severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Henry County in southern Florida, Central Glades County in southern Florida, until 30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Brighton Seminole Reservation, over 8 miles northeast of Lakeport, moving southwest at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palmdale, Lakeport, and Brighton Seminole Reservation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Glades, and Henry. 30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Brighton Seminole Reservation, over 8 miles northeast of Lakeport, moving southwest at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palmdale, Lakeport, and Brighton Seminole Reservation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Glades, and Henry. Until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of southwest Florida, including the following county, Collier. When? Until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 3:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicating heavy rain due to flood and thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen during the last hour from the thunderstorms. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area during the next hour with the slow-moving thunderstorms. Some locations that will experience flooding include Naples, Golden Gate Estates, East Naples, Naples Manor, Golden Gate, Mount Resort, Newers, Bell East, North Naples, Naples Park, Marco Island Airport, Maui, Victory Bay Aquatic Reserves, Fiddler's Creek, Pelican Bay, and Creel Creek Estate. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Coastal waters forecast for the WGCU-FM for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Angle. Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 9 nautical miles west of Lake Marquis, moving southwest at 15 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Manatee 7 Mile North Reef. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. These are the 4 p.m. observations for the local. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.